पुढची प्रिपरेशन मेथड पाहतोय आपण अमाइन्ससाठी. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अमाइन्स मध्ये सेकंड लास्ट मेथड, रिडक्शन ऑफ अल्किल सायनाइड्स और also called alkane nitriles. This reaction famously known as Mendel's reduction. एक्झाम मध्ये तुम्हाला या नावाने ना, राईट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन मेंडल्स रिडक्शन. कशासाठी वापरली जाते तर धिस मेथड युज्ड टू प्रिपेअर प्रायमरी अमाइन्स. You better know what is primary amines, that is RNH2. RNH2. First take alkyl cyanide, and by reduction of this alkyl cyanide, it is also called alkane nitrile, we get primary amines. What is the catalyst used for this? We used sodium in ethanol, that is C2H5OH, or sometime we used lithium aluminum hydride, that is LiAlH4. By using any one from this, we easily prepare primary amines, and this is called nothing but Mendel's reduction. So first take general reaction. What is the general reaction? Take alkyl cyanide, that is RC triple bond N, or RCN, that is alkyl cyanide, or also called alkane nitrile. This alkane nitrile reduced by using nascent hydrogen, that is 4H, in presence of anyone from these two. We take sodium in ethanol, that is C2H5OH. This nascent hydrogen break this triple bond, that is triple gets converted into single, that is it become R. Two hydrogens come to this way like this, and two come to this way. So we get, what is the product? The product is C2, sorry, RCH2 NH2, and we simply know this is what? Primary amine. This is primary amine. Suppose we have to take one example for this. We take here methyl group or ethyl group. Suppose we take methyl CH3 C triple bond N in presence plus 4 hydrogen in presence of sodium or ethanol. What we get? We get CH3, this 4 hydrogen parallelly divided into two parts, that is we get CH3 CH2 NH2, that is ethyl amine, and we better know that is what is this? It is always a primary amine. So by reduction of alkyl cyanide using sodium in ethanol or lithium aluminum hydride, we get primary amines. That reaction is called Mendel's reduction. This is the best method to prepare only what? Only primary amines. Suppose we take one example for solution, another one example. This is number one. Now we take another example. In books we see this. Here is one example, CH3I, that is methyl iodide, on reaction with KCN, we get A product, which on N-ethanol, that is Mendes reduction, we get product B. How will it possible? Look here, take methyl iodide reacted with KCl, very simple. We know that is minus K and I, that is Ki. We get CH3Cn, that is methyl cyanide. This is the first step, and by doing Mendes reaction on this, that is, this is cyanide. Look here, it is also alkyl cyanide. By adding 4 hydrogen and by reduction we get, what is the product? CH3, CH2, NH2. And what is the byproduct? Not immediate. That is, what is the final product? Ethylamine. This is also primary amine. This reaction is called Mendes reduction. So we easily solve another examples which are on page number 285. Solve these examples and send me on my personal number. Okay, thank you.